मिनिस्टर रिजाइन दिला
First minister to resign. Today I have resigned as a minister in this cabinet, and elections are already declared. Model code of conduct is in place, and we have to go for the next elections. And I am quite sure people, constituents of Kalangut constituency will respect my decision, what I've taken just now, to resign from the cabinet, and they will give me this opportunity to serve them back again as the MLA. I am going to resign also as an MLA today, and I will see what next steps to be taken. It's still not totally finalized what step is to be taken, but I'm in talks with other political parties. Time will say.
So what unhappy, sir?
So what was the reason to leave to resign?
It has been quite a good long journey with BJP. After 15 years, I'm going to resign today as a MLA and as a member of Bharatiya Janata Party. And I was quite upset the way we are all looked at, especially the Karyakartas, the grassroots level workers are unhappy with the party. Maybe I am wrong also, but I have seen in my own eyes, I have heard in my ears. People came to me and spoke to me, not from my constituency only. माझ्याच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक येऊन ना सगळे दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक येऊन म्हाका सांगलेल्या की जाल्या ती आमकां बारीक लोकांक आतां पळयना. ती खंयचे तरी नये लिडर हाडटा आनी आमचे तकलेर दवरता. आनी आमी ग्रासरूट लेवलाचे वर्कर, आनी ग्रासरूट लेवलाच्या वर्करान म्हाका दिसता सगळ्यां कडेन संपर्कान रावपाक जाय. सगळे पार्टीचे कार्यकर्ते आसूं, वर्कर आसूं, शुभचिंतक आसूं, वेल विशर्स आसूं, हे हांकां घेवन फुडें वचपाक जाय. एंड आय थिंक देर आर सम ups and downs. There are always ups and downs. You have to understand. Maybe sometimes the party takes decision in a good interest, but it cannot be lock, stock and barrel for everyone. And everybody, the main Karyakartas are being sidelined. अशें खुबशी नाराजगी आहा. ही म्हाजी कितें आहा पळय तें आमी स्पश्टपणी सांगलेलें आहा, आदीं सांगलेलें आहा. खूब टायम जालो हांव उलयता ही गजाल, बट कोणाच्या कानार पडना ती. आनी म्हाका अशें दिसलें की आमकां निग्लेक्ट केला, आमकां सायडीक दवरल्या म्हणून. सो सायडीक दवरल्या उपरांत मागीर आनीक जे आसता ते ट्रेन सोडून वचचो पडटा. सो आयज आमी
डिस्कशन ऑन द नॅशनल लिडर्स ऑन द पार्टी
ना, तशें कांय ना. आय हॅव नो नथिंग टू कमेंट ऑन नॅशनल लिडर्स एंड नथिंग टू कमेंट इवन ऑन स्टेट लिडर्स. मे बी दॅट इज देअर डिसिजन ऑल ओवर.
सर केन्ना जॉईन जाता काँग्रेस?
नो
कित्याक काल तुमचो आयज सांगाताक आसा राजन तिलवी, तोय जॉईन जाला, तो आयज तुमच्या बरोबर दिसता, तो तुमचे हे ना
वी आर फ्रेंड्स.
also candidate Congress candidate campaigning attend for.
काल
No, he is our very dear friend, Kedar Naik. Very dear friend, very close to me. I have campaigned for him. So today I have resigned. There is no regret that I have campaigned for it. So it will depend now, whichever political party I will join in, I will see that we win maximum number of seats.
So one reason is that ki your wife is not getting ticket, because of that you left the BJP. Your wife is not getting a ticket of the BJP symbol is the reason.
Never. Day one I am telling you all the media also, we have not asked for the ticket. Nobody can say that we have asked for the ticket. Because they had already declared the Sholim seat. So the ticket मागप ना तो डिक्लेअर जाताले आमी कित्याक मागप आधी डिक्लेअर जालें.
टोटल बार्देश
मायकल अशे तरेन बीजेपी सोडप तुमकां कितले, कारण 2017 गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपा खातीर तुमचो एक व्हडलो वांटो आसलो बीजेपीचो आनी आयज तुमी अशें सांगून
It
पार्टी
will always be in our heart. जे कितें आसा आदी एक टायमार आमी काँग्रेसचे वर्कर आसले. काँग्रेस सोडले म्हणून अशें न्हू की आमकां हें ना. आमचे कावजान आहात. आमी खूब शिकलेले आहात हिंगा. भारतीय जनता पार्टीन अंडर मनोहर पर्रीकर लिडरशीपूय आमी खूब शिकलेले आहात. सो ते आमी सोडूंक ना. ते सदांच कावजान आसतले. सो ऑल दोज नॉलेज वॉट वी हॅव गॉट, ऑल दोज आयडियाज वॉट वी हॅव गॉट, शिकल्या जे आमी ते आमी फुडें व्हरपाक जाय, लोकां मदेकात पावोवपाक जाय आनी लोकां मदेकात रावपाक जाय.
यू आर नॉट हॅपी विथ प्रमोद सावंत लिडरशीप,
इट्स नॉट अबाउट दॅट.
बट ही इज कॅपेबल.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Last time you said ki Bardesh will be of Michael Lobo, so still you are firm on your decision.
Now, Poya, no, time will say. It is not on Michael Lobo, it is with the people. And people will decide the fate of the candidates as and when they fill in their forms to fight the coming elections.
Sir, one more thing, 10,000 jobs the Pramod Sawant is saying. You still believe that?
ना त्या रे ते सायडीन वयता रे, ते सायडीन वचून हे सायडीन यो. लास्ट फोटो दिसतलो ना ती खबर ना, फोटो काडया. तर MLA ऑल्सो
रिझाईन केला म्हणून.
Yeah, we have to go for the next election. As per the Election Commission of India, the filing of nominations starts from 20th. We have to be ready well in advance. So 10 days we require
Sachin slow.
to go back to our people and campaign that we are going to contest. So this is why we have resigned.
तू आता सांजचो रिजायन जाता म्हणटा पळय, आयकूंक येता की सेम तुमची मिसीसूय जॉईन जातली सेम पार्टी.
ना अजूनही पार्टी जॉईन जावपाची कांय फायनल जावंक ना.
सचिन
लोकां कडेन उलोवप चलता, कोण म्हणटा इंडिपेंडंट बस, कोण म्हणटा काँग्रेसीक बस.
So a lot of Congress people are unhappy with your decision of leaving. What do you like to say? Congress.
Congress people want me in BJP.
They don't.
They don't want
Congress people will always want me in BJP.
Okay.
There is nothing.
So what do you like to
Let
say
us
about?
decide now. It is not yet decided.
So what do you like to say about?
Let my people decide. See, it is all my close supporters, my well-wishers, our karyakartas, who are like my brothers and sisters, who walk with me. Every step I take, they are with me. They will decide for me what is good for me.
But they are happy with your decision, sir?
No, today's decision is about resigning as a minister and MLA. And I will resign as BJP member, primary membership. It's all about the coming election. And जे असोसिएशन आमचे आहले भारतीय जनता पार्टी वांगडा ते लॉंग आहले 15 years जाले आमकां सो दुःख लागता एक वाटेन
पूण अशें कितें गरज पडली सर बीजेपी
वी आर पेइंग दबके बैठना अच्छा नहीं है दबके नहीं बैठना चाहिए
मायकल भाऊ
अगर नहीं चाहिए तो you yourself have to they should not throw you out finally. So it is the best way you exit in a nice way.
तर तुमकां भायर उलोवपाचें बी आसलें
We will always be friends. The Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, was an honor working with him as a minister in his cabinet, and also all my colleagues.
तर
who
लोबो
are in
कपल
BJP.
वांगडाच पळोवपाक मेळटले फुडें लोबो कपल एकेच पार्टीन
That can never be said. It is with the people, no? शिवोलचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक डिसायड करतले की आमी खंय वचपाक जाय ते वांगडा आसले वांगडा आसतले इंडिपेंडंट आसतले कितेंय जावंक शकता
मायकल भाऊ अशी
टायम वील प्रूव
मायकल
आमचे कॅम्पेनींग जे स्टार्ट जातले तेन्ना आमी उलयतले हेचेर आयज आमी खाली रिजायन जाले MLA मिनिस्टर आनी आवर लेटर वील गो by email and also by fax to the BJP party office.
what about people's
to Sadanand Shet Tanawade. People's suggestions are different. So आमचे मेन कार्यकर्ता जे कितें सजेशन दितले ते आयज फाल्यां 2-3 दिसां भितर पावतले
कितें हिंट दिता खंयच्या पार्टीची हिंट दिता
ना तशें आजुनी फायनल कांय जावंक ना
सगळं
ते फायनल जाल्या उपरांतूच आमचे नेक्स्ट स्टेप आसतले Thank you so much. It has been great this thing with all the media and electronic and print media also that y'all have always supported and also shown where I have gone wrong. So तर मायकल लोबो खंयच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर रॉंग गेला खंयच्या इश्यूचेर रॉंग गेला ते मिडियान दाखयल्लें आहा आनी मिडियान अशें आमकां केन्नाच जी आमी खंयचे एका एक हें केल्लें आहा तेका सपोर्टूय केल्लो आहा जे कितें रॉंग डिसिजन पासून गव्हर्मेंटान घेतला आनी तेजेर आमी उलयल्ले आहा तेका आमकां मिडिया इलेक्ट्रॉनीक एंड प्रिंट मिडिया सपोर्ट केला सगळ्यांक
सोशल मिडिया
मनाक आवजानसान देव बरें करूं.
सोशल मिडिया
ना तेजेर आतां उलोवप ना न्हू आजुनी कॅम्पेनींग आमचें चालू जावंक ना तेजेर तेन्ना उलयतले आयज उलयला आमी एग्जिटाचेर आमचे रेजिग्नेशनाचेर मिनिस्टर रेजिग्नेशन आनी पार्टीनसून रेजिग्नेशन थँक्यू सो मच